Hello Nubians, today I'm here to show a trick to easily fill up your TER form. Let's go to TER fill up section. Select your course. Then you can see there are too many from we need to select. Then we need to write two comments. One is positive and another is negative. Then submit. It's very time taking to fill up all the courses and select. It's very time taking to me, so I decided to make this thing very easily. Within 1 second we can complete our TER fill up for this subject. Okay, so let's go to inspect by right click on your mouse. Then I'm going to this course, and you see there is nothing selected yet, and now you have to go to console and then go to setting experiments and just disable this one on first time. Then go to this here. I will share the link in the description. Then just paste here, Control V or right button, then paste, then hit enter. You see all the selection input is already filled up, and I just write to default comment and I am going to submit it. Okay, it's submitted, done. Then going to next one and console, then I'm pressing command V. Okay, then hit enter, then everything is done, then submit. Okay, done. Then I'm going to this one, then console command V, hit enter or return, then submit. In this way you can easily fill up your TER. I was very bored about it. It was because it was very time taking to me. I have not enough time to fill up this TER from by one by one. It was very difficult. Okay, thank you so much.